Okay, so we got some garlic and some onions here. We're gonna chop them in this chopper. It's gonna take us a couple of seconds. So there we go, our chopped onions. And we're gonna turn the stove on, put it on max. Put in some olive oil and let this heat up for a couple of minutes. While it heats up, we're just gonna add the onions and garlic in here. So we're gonna let it cook for a little bit. And then in this chopper, we're gonna add some carrots. Just do them in 2 goes. Look how finely chopped the carrots are, so they will definitely not be able to tell what's in there. So we're just gonna put this in and let it cook together. Let's add some more. And you know how some people like to put sugar in their pasta sauce? The sweetness from the carrot is going to make it a little bit sweeter, so you're not going to need any sugar when you use the carrots either. And they're not going to be able to tell that. So we got the last part here. Add it in and let it cook for a couple of minutes.